Alright guys, and it's Monday, another week starting. We are close to the end of the month, I would say. Today's 18th of March 2024. The year has been pretty crazy until now, but stay until the end with me that I'm gonna tell you what I'm expecting for this week ahead, alright? It's gonna be a full week. It's gonna be lots and lots of volatility and very good opportunities on the market. So hit the subscribe button, give us a thumbs up on this video, and let's go. Take your notebook, your pen, as I did on my little, that's so small, on my little notebook. I don't know what's the name of, notepad. Right. So what I want to do is, I just want to do a run over what's going to happen this week through Monday, from Monday to Friday. And right in the face, today, Monday, 9 p.m., we're going to have Europe CPI already. I'm looking at the numbers here. It's a year-over-year, February. So from February last year to February this year, basically last month. Let me see if we have the month-over-month as well. No, we will have CPI month over month. That's going to be 9 p.m. on Australia time. So CPI year over year is expected to come at 2.6% from the previous 2.8%. Month over month is expected to be at 0.6% from negative 0.4%. So a little bit of increase in month over month. And the core CPI expected to be 3.1% from 3.3% year over year. All right, then that's it for today. And then we're going to have Tuesday. We have at 1:30 p.m. Australia time, Bank of Japan monetary policy statement. 2:30 p.m. RBA interest rates decision. 5:30 p.m. Bank of Japan press conference. 7:30 p.m. Guindos is speaking, all right, from ECB. 11:30 p.m. we're going to have Canada's CPI. Full day on Tuesday, all right? So lots and lots of volatility for the JPY. Be cautious on the if you're trading Japanese yen this week, all right? On Wednesday at 1:48 in the morning of Australia time, that's right, 1:48 in the morning after midnight, 1:48. 48, 8 minutes from 40. That's so strange. They out of nowhere, they just switch at 1:48. It makes me think, why is that time? And it's in Japan. It's in Japan. What time is it right now in Japan? Let me check here. What time is in Japan? So in Australia right now is 3 p.m. 2:52 p.m. basically, and Japan is 12:52 p.m. So let's say 1 o'clock. So they have 2 hours of difference. So that's saying that they will be doing this meeting at 11:48 in the night for them. That's kind of strange, but I guess it's okay. Let's see how it's going to happen, because that's going to be the Bank of Japan rate decision, okay? 6 p.m. we're going to have on Wednesday UK CPI. So let me have a look at the numbers here for UK CPI. We're going to have month over month and year over year. Month over month consensus is at 0.7% from the previous negative 0.6%. So nearly 110% increase on inflation from January to February. That's what they are expecting. Now year over year is expected to drop 0.5% from 4% to 3.5% as the consensus is expecting, all right? And then we're going to have Lagarde speaking and as well Lane speaking from ECB. On Thursday, 5 a.m., be ready guys, this is the day. 5 a.m. we're going to have the Fed rate decision. After that, we're going to have Swiss National Bank rate decision. And after that, we're going to have UK rate decision. This is going to be booming, all right? This is going to be out of ups and downs on the market. So Thursday will be the big day as usually and always it is, all right? I always tell you. Thursday and Wednesday are the most momentum, most volatile days on the week, because this is sort of where everything lines up and happens most of the time, all right? And then going to Friday at 10:30 a.m. we're going to have Japan CPI. So pay attention on Japan CPI. Let me have a look at the numbers here. We're going to be looking at national core CPI and national CPI. National core CPI consensus is at 2.8% and the previous is 2%. So a little bit of increase on the CPI for Japan. That's pretty interesting. So pay attention, guys. Pay attention on the rate decision, on the monetary policy statement, as well as on the CPI, because you know the drill, what happened last time. It came 0.01% higher than expected, right? A fraction higher than expected, occasionated all of the big move on Japan, on Japanese yen. So be ready, because Friday is going to be a big day as well. And at 6 p.m. we're going to have UK core retail sales on Friday, and I'm looking at the numbers here. It's not looking too great, coming from a positive territory to a negative territory. Okay, so this is all we're going to have this week. So basically this is a Monday video that I always do, so you guys can keep updated with what's going on and what's going to happen throughout the week. So if you like this type of video, give us a thumbs up, share this video with your friend, put down in the comments what you want to see from us, because you know these help us to produce what you guys want to see, so you don't get bored, and it shows YouTube that you know you're liking our content. So again, I wish everyone a lovely trading week ahead. You know, just be careful. It's going to be a very volatile week ahead. It's going to be a lot of momentum, but as good opportunities as well. All right, guys, stay safe, and I see you in the next video.